Seen as the province of Quebec, Saskatchewan, and Alberta, as well as Newfoundland, are using internet property connection to let people break and enter into my home illegally and attack me with gas cans and paint cans to tell me to not be a Christian? As a Christian, I am authorizing the removal from Newfoundland, Quebec, and Saskatchewan Rogers connection, as well as Bell Canada connection to internet and television, and no broadband connection either, as a Christian. Quebec, Saskatchewan, Newfoundland.